how to buy America Party token. So this token came under the symbol of America. So this is another token of America. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 3 in Ethereum section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click it to copy the token address and open a Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, now go to your wallet. And now from the top right corner, make sure to select the Ethereum. This token. After that, click on this plus icon and please token on the same search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token, but before going and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that warning. And if you are ready to go, now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find it. If you don't find it here, now click on this search and now type in the search bar America like that, and you will be able to find your token here. Now after that, click on swap. Now switch from here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy it, for example USDT, and now you can type in how much you want to buy like that, as you can see. So after that, you will be able to see here so how much you will be able to receive of that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is easy and simple, and this is how to buy America token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.